Okay. One thing you should keep in mind, all the charts that I showed you, I'm using the version 1.2.20. I think there's a 0.14 floating around. Anyways, there may be slight differences. I did not play with the older one long enough to see what the differences are, but keep that in mind. And of course, the -F models would be different also. Okay, measuring the standing wave ratio, coaxial loss, maybe even lengths, impedance, stuff like that. But I would say the standing wave ratio is probably the most common use measurement for radio operators, especially ham radio operators, because they have multiple bands and multiple antennas, and many do make their own antennas or modify existing ones. In fact, I have a vertical antenna that arrived, and I will be testing that in the near future. Okay, first thing you got to do is power on the unit, go to your home menu, recall your calibration if you've created one, and if the settings do not match below, make the changes. There's a few things that's important. First of all, select display, select trace. Select trace 0 and turn on. It should stay active, yellow. It's important. Select trace 1, turn off, the blue, do not use. And as for trace 2, you can leave as is. If you want the Smith chart, an option. If you don't want it, turn it off. Trace 3, turn off, purple. Unnecessary, we're not going to be using it. It just makes the screen busy. And then verify again that trace 0 is on, active. It's important. Select back, select format, S11, reflective. Be sure it's SWR. If not, correct it, because it can be log MAC, and that's not what we want, SWR. Again, verify channel S11, that it's reading reflective and not S21 through. Select your desired frequency range, select stimulus, select start, stop. It could be a channel, it could be a band. And then it's nice to see just what the figures are in a scale. So I like to go to the home menu again, select display, select scale, select dot grid, turn that on, select show grid values, turn that on, and select scale division. If your SWR is low, then a 0.10 works. Otherwise, try 0.25 or 0.50, etc. And if needed, you can do a calibration procedure. If for some reason you hit a wrong button or something. Anyways, we're looking forward to fishing next week. I think the ice is around 4-6 inches thick, maybe a little bit better. And we'll have some videos using our Markham and active target. So hopefully this will probably be the last chart, and we'll move on to other stuff. There are some viewers that do have the unit and they want something consistent that works for them. So hopefully this works. Have a nice day. Take care.